Welcome to Mr.Magic.
So today we are going to learn how to do the headless man editing with Picsart. You know what to do at first. So after selecting the model, click on the cutout option and then select the head and then save the picture. Now again open Picsart and click on draw twice, and now click on create new and then select background and aspect ratio and then continue. After that click on add photos and then click on stickers and then select your sticker and adjust the sticker on the background. After adjusting the sticker, then click on the color box and then click on the pen icon, that is the color picker, and pick the color of the background and then carefully apply the color only on the head area. After that, click on the color box and then select the red color and then click on the box and circle icon and select circle and then apply the circle on the cutted neck area. After that, click on layers and then click on add layers and then select empty layers and then click on the color box and select the black color and click on brushes and select the sketch brush and adjust the opticality and size of the brush and then apply it on the red circle area, and then click on layers again and adjust the opticality for more accuracy and more natural look. So now your headless model is ready, but you have to just put his own head in his own hand. So now take an empty layer again and from the stickers option select the head sticker and put it in the hands, and then from the layers option click on the head layer and take it below the body layer. That will make the picture more accurate. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Come again.